Maintaining your cat's coat has never been easier with the right brush. Start by choosing a brush suitable for your cat's fur type. Slicker brushes work well for long-haired cats, while rubber brushes are great for short-haired breeds. Begin grooming in the direction of hair growth, using gentle strokes to remove loose fur and prevent matting. Remember to be patient and calm to create a positive grooming experience for your feline friend. Pay special attention to areas like behind the ears and under the armpits. Regular grooming not only keeps your cat looking sleek, but also helps prevent hairballs and reduces shedding around your home. So, grab your brush and make grooming a breeze for both you and your beloved cat.